What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. Got Rainey here with me.
What's up, guys?
We got one box of 2016-17 Grand Reserve Basketball. In this box, you get 8 cards per pack. There's three packs per box. You get 2 autographs, including one on-card Cornerstone memorabilia insert per box. That is the quad jersey autograph. So 3 hits in this box, 3 packs. So, Rainey, you ready to get to it, man?
Let's do it, buddy.
Let's get to it, man. I have to say, it's probably my favorite packaging. I mean, I know some of the boxes kind of suck, but I mean, as far as the overall packaging, the product looks good.
Yeah, it really does.
There's our 3 packs. Now it's super thin. All right.
No whammies.
No whammies here. There you go.
Armada.
Armada, we live by it. Let's see here. There we go. All right, we're going to start off with a insert dominating performers of Dennis Rodman, the Worm. Nice looking card. Yeah. Draymond Green, Andre Iguodala, Harrison Barnes, former Warrior, along with the 2 other Warriors.
Right. Anthony
Davis, Jordan Clarkson, Doug McDermott, and a Juan Hernangomez autograph. That's numbered to 49. Golly, this one's... I feel like that other pack is like super thick.
Yeah.
Let's see. Although, it's a cool card there. Unbreakable insert cool. Of DeMarcus Cousins. Got a KD.
All right.
Pretty cool. Derrick Rose. Robert Covington. Emmanuel Mudiay. Elfrid Payton. Yogi Ferrell rookie card. And Demetrius Jackson, 2 of 25 Cornerstone. That's a sick card.
It is.
If only this was Jaylen Brown.
Right.
That's who I thought it was. I saw the green and I was like, oh.
I like the border on that.
Yeah, I do too. I think I got a thumb maker like this.
Yeah.
And last pack. This should be our jersey card. There's only 2 autos per box. So. Starting off with a startups of Bradley Beal. And a base of Bradley Beal. The Process. Dwayne Wade. Aaron Gordon. Jusuf Nurkic. Steven Adams. And a Wade Baldwin, the 4th rookie. 1 of 10. Jersey card.
Not bad.
Pretty cool looking card. Yeah, pretty sick. Well, that does it for the video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you with more videos soon. So until next time, y'all keep ripping.